tip of the day, brake clean. I'm going to take my brake clean and I'm going to spray around that oil filter, clean all the dirt out from around it. Same thing on the oil plug over there. I want all that cleaned off so it doesn't hold a bunch of dirt, or dirt don't have a chance to get into my engine either. And you just got to spray it off real good. Oh, and we're also putting a fuel filter on this guy. And you're going to want to go full blast with cans. Just don't put it at your face. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of air to make it dry quicker. Guys, that's non-flammable brake fluid, so it's not going to hurt anything, but this will help blow the dirt off of it. And for the love of all mechanics, don't get the stuff in your eye. It burns. It hurts. Trust me. I've been there. Sprayed a hole out in the carburetor one time and it sprayed right in my face.